Good morning, friends. Hello, friends. Thank you for liking my articles, for subscribing to my channel. I'm thankful to you. Today, we will be talking about the turning point. The turning point in the life of a man or a woman, or we can say the turning point of a person. I'm Sunita Paul from Wellness Nutrition Hub. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Now we will be talking about, was it really a turning point? Yes, I still wonder, how can this be the turning point? It was with one of my guests, a friend of mine. As usually so happens, I can tell you, just after this corona break, or there is a, what do you call, there is a relaxation in the lockout of this corona break. Okay, so one of my friends, they said, we would like to come to your place. I said, you're most welcome. You are most welcome to come to my place. She said the children are so tired and they are so over what you call tensed or everything like that. They can't go out in open because our area is locked out. Some part of it is locked out, and so they want to have a free life. Can we come to your place? I said, you're most welcome. You can come. Do come and do enjoy. We have got a beautiful weather over here. So she came with her family, 2 kids, husband and wife. Well, we were having a very nice time. And what happened? One day, we planned for a lunch party in the garden. We were arranging things on the table, which were arranged together to transform it into a dining table and to seat nearly 7 people. What happened then, my friend, she was little overweight and she was doing her work little slow. Her daughter, who was 8 years old, she was watching this, that I am having a free movement. I can move freely in spite of the pain in my knees, because my knees had a little problem. I was to be on operation for the replacement, but I didn't go for it. In fact, I was with some supplements which helped me a lot, and I can walk now without any support, without any knee cap or knee braces or like that. But still I did my work very well. And my friend's name was Sita and her daughter was Seema. So Seema came running to her mummy and said, look mummy, auntie is doing her work so nicely, she's moving around so nicely, why can't you do? Why are you so fat? Mama, I don't like this. Please don't be so fat. I just don't like you when you are so fat. Come on, be like auntie. She kept on saying, and I was listening to her. What happened then, Suddenly she went to her mama and said again, no mama, please come down. Please reduce your weight. And we all were shocked seeing this behavior of the child. Well, what happened? We were shocked and she was stunned. Sita was stunned because her son and her daughter had never said this before, not even reacted in this way. Naturally, this was an unexpected question from both the children, the girl and the boy. The reason for this question struck me later. Initially, this family saw me after 4 years. Then I too was fat. As this being overweight started gifting my lifestyle many diseases and other things. Then the doctors told me, Madam, reduce your weight or your knees have to go out. And that is when he said you need a knee replacement. Got it? So that was the turning point for me, and today was the turning point for Sita. So the turning point in your life can come anytime means anytime. Now I could not carry on my duties at that time, but now I am fine, fit and healthy. I can do anything and everything. That was the time when I made my friend Sita promise that you have to lose your extra fats by hook or by crook. Then she asked me, how did you do it? I said, yes, I lost 14 kgs of weight from my body and 8 inches from my waist, and still I'm maintaining it. I'll help you. Don't worry. Your kids will be proud of you someday. So, friends, this is what I want to say, that was it really a turning point? Yes. For me, it was 5 years back. For her, it was today. The turning point will just come so surprisingly that you won't be aware of it and you won't be prepared to hear such a thing. Well, let this turning point to obese people, fat people, overweight people come into their life very soon. To make themselves healthy, fit and strong. Thank you for listening to me. Meeting you next Friday again.